Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find archived chats on your Telegram. Well, this is really easy thing. Just like your WhatsApp, you can easily find your archived chats on Instagram, and I will show you. For example, this is one of my chat, as well as you can also archive your groups or channels and in your Telegram, right? So I will just select all three of them, and as you can see here on the screen, I have selected my 4 chats here, and on the top right you will see the 3 dots. Click on archive. So once you click on archive, you will find this option. As you can see here that there is no option of to find the archive, even though if I tap on the 3 horizontal lines, there is a no option, so where it has been gone. So you have to just scroll down a little bit down and you will see this option of archive. Just click on it, and as you can see here that all my archive chats are here available. I can click on the 3 dots, I can open my archive settings and always keep archived. It means that this is regarding the whether you want to mute it or not, right? So always it get hidden, right? So archive feature is hidden in Telegram. So you have to just scroll a little bit down and you will find this archive option, and you can archive your chats, right? So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.